Hey, all you viewers, been name later. How we doing today? I know we're kind of on a roll with them, aren't we? Whiskey and Hardtack is back on the channel with strange bromance beard butter. I know, right? Man, we're just covering them left and right recently. Now, if you'd like to see any of the other reviews we've done with Whiskey and Hardtack, as of filming this one, there's only other one. Take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skincare, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. You'll see the oil for this one sitting right up there, as long as some other incredible reviews you might want to check out. Now, if you guys are familiar with Whiskey and Hardtack, just move ahead about a minute or so. I love to give some background info on the company, and then we're going to get right into the meat, the potatoes, and all the other fun stuff of this beard butter. All right, you can find them at www.whiskeyandhardtack, that's right, little n in there, .com. Don't worry about that. I'm going to leave all that below down in the description box. One-click easy access for you. Whiskey and Hardtack, I like to call them the baby company of sweet tea and biscuits. That's Holly's primary company, which is just some incredible skincare and just great stuff, and I'm going to be bringing some of their stuff to the channel as well. I got my ladies some of their sugar scrubs, and we have some soaps on the way, so we're going to be doing some good stuff here. They are proudly made in the USA out of Landenberg, Pennsylvania. Now, from my understanding, the idea got formulated for Whiskey and Hardtack way back in 2018. I guess Don gave it a name when they were brainstorming stuff, and Holly was like, whoo, that's cool, I like that, and registered every possible domain name for that variations. They officially opened their doors in about May 2019, and they have seriously just taken off, and boom, there you go, off and running. Now, I keep mentioning her name. Holly is the boss. She's the CEO, and she is the most awesome out there possible. Yeah, you got to kind of edit it because you never know when children are going to be watching, right? I have nothing but love and respect for Holly, guys, so don't even try to go there with me, okay? Now, this is something I think is cool. Holly is very passionate about labeling things perfectly, okay? I guess there's a lot of discrepancies and a lot of weird stuff with people labeling 4-ounce bottles as not 4-ounce. Well, this is a 3.85. It's more like the stuff on the inside, because a lot of places will take into account the inside and the container and call it a 4-ounce. Not Holly. You're getting 3.85 ounces. And as of September 15th, 2020, when I'm filming this video and I did my homework, this is currently on sale for $19.95. I will say it like this. Don't ask me for a discount code. I have not earned one from Holly, but there's great people out there who have them. So you might want to reach out to your favorite YouTuber and see if they have one. I don't know why. It's a great price. 20 bucks for 4 ounces. But still. Now, the scent on this guy is just like the oil. It is such an interesting mix of berries, twigs, lavender, sugar, almonds, and just a schmick of leather. This idea was formulated because of some Instagram live feeds. They were pretty famous, and I don't want to say back in the day because it makes me seem like an old-timer, but it feels like a lifetime ago with COVID, you know? It's really weird to think, like, we're in September, but I'm looking at January like it was a decade ago. You know, just, ooh, buddy. All right. Holly does want you guys to know, and it is out there on their web store. It's, you know, oh my lord, I always screw this up. Phthalate free, basically salty, something in there, but we put salts and crap. It's not there. Paraben free and cruelty free, but she tests it on Dawn, so is it really cruelty free, Holly? What do you put that poor man through? I'm just saying. Alright, the ingredients in here are shea butter, mango butter, barbassu B-A-B-A-S-S-U oil, babasu, whatever. Sunflower oil, fragrance, cerebellina, sunflower wax, and rose hip oil with vitamin E. Alright, I looked up that cerebellina. Guys, I'm tongue-tied, I'm tired, I'm wore out, and distance learning with children, so it's basically a beeswax derivative. And the babasu oil is basically, it boosts the health of your skin and your hair. So it's really cool stuff to have in there. Alright. Now, oh crap, I forgot to show it. This one is a full-bodied, so it is not a whipped. I will be honest, I prefer Whiskey and Hardtack's whipped butter over their full body. I don't know why, my beard just reacts a lot better to the whipped. Might be ingredient differences, I don't know. I have yet to review it, but I do have one that is just phenomenal. Now, the smell in this guy, Seriously, I just get the berries. No matter how much I want to, get something different, all I get is the berries. Applying it's real easy. I'll get there in a moment. But beard butter has some great uses, okay? Beard butter is more for your hair than it is for your skin. Now, it provides some great qualities for your skin. It's going to give you a very light styling hold, and it's going to get a whole bunch of nourishment in there. Lots of people use it at night when they're going to bed to keep that beard wonderful and healthy and whatnot. I'll use it throughout the day if I have to. I like smelling good. If you got a good one going in there, it's just heck yeah. Now to apply it, really, really simple. Guys, it's just like any other butter or any other bombs you may have used. Get your little fingernail and just get some out. Okay? That's all I'm going to use for this little tester purpose. Seal up that goodness in there. You always just bring it over to your other palm. Alright, and see, it's breaking down real simple. You just warm it, really warm it up between your hands, break it down from that kind of solid state to like a liquidy state, and work it right into your beard. Sorry guys, I've got some stuff in my beard that I'm testing, and I'm really not going to screw with the test by putting berries and everything else in there. So basically you work it all the way through your beard, groom it out, and there you go. That's the easiest way to put it. I feel like I'm forgetting something, and I don't know why. Of course I am old, but still. Shut up, Polly. I got your address. The snack bitch will get you. Just saying. And not in that way, guys. She knows what I'm talking about. It's a great internal joke with us at this point. But we're at the fun part of the video for me, because I know I probably screwed something up, and, well, guys, knowing my videos, I'll leave the screw-ups there just for the comedic factor, But, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I really want to know, have you used Whiskey and Hardtack before? Have you used their beard butters before? Do you prefer their full bodied over their whipped? Have you used the strange Bromance one before? Like I said, I think I'm forgetting something in this video, and I don't know what. But after I edit it, I'll probably figure it out and be like, oh well. I just want to know, successes, failures, whatever. Leave me a comment down below, Now, a few first-time viewers on my channel, yeah, you picked a really weird one today, okay? Seriously, with distance learning with my kids, I'm surprised I was able to get 2 videos filmed back-to-back, and that's a success in this house at this point. No lie. But, a few first-timers, I just want to say thanks so much for watching this video. Man, you picked a weird one, and that's cool. Because a lot of mine get weird, but this one's definitely strange. Man. I just want to say thanks for all that. So, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, why don't you leave me a comment down below, why not? What can I do to earn your subscription? You never know what suggestion you may give that can change the course of history for my channel. After you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there in that corner. You should see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go and click on the thing that's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the park, please destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because enabling that thing is going to let YouTube be able to send you notifications every single time I upload a video, kind of like this one. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Whiskey and Hardtack's full body strange bromance beard butter. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.